You can play with anything, but please don't touch my monster twat.
On the day I was born, the nurses all gathered round. They gazed through the wide window at the joy they found. The head nurse spoke up, said, "Leave this one alone." She could tell right away that I was bad to the bone.